Credit card network portability is here. Now you can choose your credit card network. RBI, in its latest circular, asked banks to extend the choice of network to customers. In this video, we will tell you why this is a good decision and how this will benefit not just you, but accelerate the adoption of the built-at-home Rupay network. Currently, in India, there are 5 choices of networks: Visa, Mastercard, American Express, Diners Club, and Indian Rupay. But before we go into how this will work, let's take a look at what RBI said. RBI issued a draft circular, which is currently open for comments and feedback. It mandates card issuers to issue cards on more than one card network. The RBI has also asked banks to provide customers the facility to choose any one among the multiple card networks available in the country. It also restrains card issuers from entering into agreements that limit customers' ability to tie up with other card networks. Now let's talk about why RBI decided to ask banks to offer customers the choice of network. In its circular, RBI said that customers should have the freedom to decide the network they want to use. Currently, it is chosen by banks based on the arrangement between them and the networks, something which doesn't necessarily work out in the favor of customers. Now that you understand why RBI took this decision, the next thing you need to understand is how card networks work. In case you want to send money to someone, you need their account details before you can send them money. If you know the person, it is easier to ask them. But what if you want to pay someone you don't know? Say while shopping, and that's where a network comes into the picture. The shopkeeper you want to pay is charged an interchange fee to receive payment from you. This fee is divided between the card networks of the acquiring bank, which operates the merchant's POS machine, and the bank which issued your card. In addition to offering you a choice of network, this decision is also likely to accelerate adoption of Rupay. Currently, most banks prefer not to issue Rupay cards as they don't make as much money while working with Rupay. So whenever your bank offers you a credit card, the default network is rarely ever Rupay. If you request a switch, banks generally say that it is not possible or make it difficult for you by asking you to make multiple visits to the bank. In the circular, RBI has asked banks to not have exclusive tie-ups with any network and offer customers network choices. And this should lead to an accelerated adoption of the homegrown Rupay network. It will also increase the competition between networks to retain customers and give you the flexibility to choose the best network for yourself. A win-win for everybody except American networks like Visa, Mastercard, etc. So how soon can you port your credit card to another network? The RBI has proposed that from October 1st, credit card issuers will have to give customers the option to choose the network of their choice. So if you would like to change your credit card network provider, you can do that beginning October 1st.